Hi guys, it's Bowser64 here with pointless video number 1. We're going to take this package of fruit snacks right here. Black Forest, where nature's best comes from. Fruit snacks, juicy filled centers, naturally and artificially flavored. Net weight 0.9 ounces, 25 grams. And we're going to throw it up in the air. And the point of this is that we're going to keep hitting it up in the air. And if it drops on the floor, we're going to end the video because that's when we lose all of our points and stuff. And so the main point of this game is to keep the fruit snacks in the air, and I'm really bored, so forgive me for uploading this, and if you don't like it, sorry. And we're going to start now, so here we go, round 1. Well, that doesn't count, because I didn't really even have it up in the air that long. Stupid. Oh, come on, I did this better. Ow! I did this better in the game room. Oh, that's better. Ah! So close. Hey, I'm not so bad at this. Ah, that was awesome. You better watch out. I'm going to take you over with my mad fruit snack hitting skills. That's skills with a Z. Dragging up in here, you know what I'm saying? Ah. I just let that fall to the ground. There's nothing I can do about it. Oh man. Stupid thing! How do you like me now? Sucker. Ah, come on. You see, before video games and stuff, we dragons did stuff like this for entertainment. And we didn't always have fruit snacks. So, because of that, we had to find our own entertainment. So, we do stuff like this. And I'm actually getting quite a bit of exercise here. Now let's see if I can do it both ways. Underhand, overhand. Underhand. Oh man. I didn't even see where it went. My hands are like going to be all sore and scratched up from doing this, but oh well. Ah. Blasted scallywagger! Don't worry guys, I'm almost done. If I can just get it going. Oh! Ow! Ah! You blasted! Okay, that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and comment and rate, and when you get bored, this is a fun thing to do. Let's see if I can make it into the fan. Wow, good aim. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later. Dragging out.